Plus, Jerry is trying the latest trend of oil pulling.
There has been a study in the past with chlorhexidine mouthwash versus coconut oil, and the results apparently found there was not major differences between the two, which is a good thing because it shows you that coconut oil can have positive benefits.
Okay, well, we all want whiter teeth and better breath, don't we? But the latest beauty trend in getting those pearly whites even whiter is not found in the dentist's office. How about that? In fact, you may have the tools at home right now to do this. Daytime's resident doc, Srini Iyengar, is here with more. But wait a second. Before we get to this, congratulations, you're a married man. First time on the show
right there.
As a married man. How does that baby feel on your finger?
A little unusual, but I'm getting used to it slowly and surely.
Yeah, I bet. And you guys had a blowout of a wedding. I couldn't be there. I know Cindy was there, and Maureen, our executive producer, and Deanna, and the whole staff was there except for me. But let's take a look at how much fun this wedding was.
Calling in the brothers.
Look at you go, you and Angina. My gosh. You had no fun at your own wedding.
No, none at all. This was all for show.
Oh my gosh. And you know, I'm so sorry I couldn't be there. I was in LA at the Academy Awards.
Of course, absolutely.
But I would have much rather have been at your wedding. So
well,
congrats.
let me tell you something, it was a lot of fun. I'm just really appreciative of everybody here showing up, and I know you would have been there hands down if it wasn't for the Oscars.
Absolutely, but congrats, you guys. It looks like you had a blast.
It was great, absolutely.
All right, let's talk about this thing that we have at home, or we could get easily in order to make our teeth whiter and our breath fresher. We talking coconut oil?
Coconut oil. Now, listen, recently, coconut oil has become the hot thing. A lot of people are talking about it as health benefits, and I've actually had patients come up to me and say, you know, I've been doing this thing with coconut oil to get things out of my teeth called oil pulling. And I said, well, where did you hear about this? They're like, well, apparently it's been done in India for 3,000 years.
Really?
So
and you didn't know about this?
I didn't know about it.
What is up with that?
It's part of Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurvedic is old Indian medicine, traditional holistic medicine, and the use of coconut oil has been used for thousands of years in Asia, China, India, and the method is really simple, apparently.
So what do you do in order to make your mouth fresher? And then it does make your teeth whiter as a result?
Well, apparently it does. Again, you know, we're talking anecdotal and observational medicine versus hard studies. But what we've seen in people who do use it, and just in the fact that people who have been doing it routinely, their responses is that taking a half a tablespoon or teaspoon of coconut oil in their mouth daily, swishing it around for 20 minutes, approximately 15 to 20 minutes.
20 minutes. So this is a commitment.
This is a commitment, daily commitment.
Right.
And doing that and then spitting out the contents of your mouth, technically the oil, because of the fat content, can pull bacteria out of your teeth, and that bacteria gets into that emulsion in your mouth and spit out once you get it out of it.
Okay, I'm going to try this just to see what it feels like and tastes like. But while I'm doing this, because obviously I'm not going to talk with coconut oil in my mouth, tell us about whether or not there are studies being planned or being done on the benefits of this.
Yeah, and the thing is, that's a great point, Jerry, because there has been a study in the past with chlorhexidine mouthwash versus coconut oil, and the results apparently found there was not major differences between the two, which is a good thing because it shows you that coconut oil can have positive benefits. The major risks of doing something like this is, number one, is not to swallow it, because potentially you can aspirate this type of substance into your lung fields, and you don't want to have that down your throat. So spitting it out is critical to get this out after that time frame. Second thing here is that would I tell any patient, hey, this is a replacement for current toothbrush, toothpaste, or dental visits? Absolutely not. I would say currently you need to keep your dental visits. You need to use a toothpaste. And before people say, well, is coconut oil better than toothpaste? I'll say those ancient Indian sages probably didn't invent fluoride. So they probably didn't know about the existence, hence why they started using coconut oil.
Okay, cut away. I'm going to spit this out. Cut the camera away. Cut to him. Cut to him. Oh my gosh, thank you. Okay, so
it's not chewing tobacco either. You don't need to carry the spittoon.
But you know what it's like? It's like using mouthwash that's made by Almond Joy.
Exactly.
It's actually kind of tasty. So keeping it in your mouth for 20 minutes wouldn't be a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing. It's the time constraint. 20 minutes. Who has that time? So that's something, it's a commitment. So doing it for 30 seconds probably will not give you the benefit of that 20 minutes. Getting that bacteria really out of your teeth. And coconut oil has something called lauric acid. Lauric acid is a positive benefit for cholesterol, but it also apparently has more bacteria fighting ability.
And people have said who do this that they have no problem with their sinuses, and their
Allergies, sinus,
asthma.
exactly.
So who knows,
There's
right?
a lot of other potential benefits of this, but again, what we know is that yes, it doesn't hurt anybody to use it, number one, and number two, it can potentially help your teeth in addition to toothpaste and dental visits.
All right, if you want to learn more about all of this, oil pulling, it's up on our website, daytimeonline.tv. Congratulations.
Absolutely,
again,
thanks a lot.
on being a married man. All right, we'll be right back with more Daytime right after this. The coconut oil made my mouth a little...